Good afternoon. Usually it's good morning, but I've just been watching it snow all morning. I haven't really gone far today. I'm in Fife, so I haven't had to get up early to go and find the snow. The snow's come to find me. It's been chucking it down all night actually. But as you can see, it's coming in on a wind, so ski goggles are a necessity today. There's ice crystals flying around and everything. I've stopped in this wood at Craigmead on the Lomond Hills because it's the only place I'm likely to find shelter on a short walk I'm doing. The only place I'll be able to tell you anything. So I'm going to head up along the path towards East Lomond, but on a day like today I'm not going to go up it. I just wanted to get out and just see snow actually, and snow drifts and all that kind of thing, all that good stuff. So there'll be no talking from now on. Oh, the only shelter for miles. I'm sheltering behind the lime kiln below East Lomond. Oh, it's wonderful. I know it doesn't look it, but to be out, practically outside the front door and just stroll out and be in this, it's fantastic. We didn't get anything like this last year, so this is a real bonus to get snow, like you should do in winter. Actually quite strange. I mean, despite the fact it's been snowing all night and all day, it's just been unrelenting. It's not actually that deep. There's a few drifts around, but there's no deep accumulations. It's all getting blown somewhere. God knows where, but I'm not getting it. It's piling up outside somebody's door somewhere, carried on the east wind. So somebody west of here, no doubt, has got a real big dump load of snow at their back door, and they can't get out of the house. I pondered for just a moment whether I was going to go up East Lomond, but I thought better of it. Thought that's a bit of a walk too far. Maybe tomorrow if it clears up a bit. Actually, I tell you what. That's better. Oh, I've never actually stood in here before in this part of the lime kiln, and never actually needed a shelter until now. I did actually see, much to my amazement as I was coming out of the forest, two figures emerging from the murk. I couldn't quite believe there'd be other people up here today, but there's two guys and they had ski goggles and they're all kitted out. They'd been up East Lomond, which I wasn't going to do, but fair play to them. They said it was a hands and knees effort to get through the drift, but they went up East Lomond, down the other side and around this big walk and this big circuit, and they had big beaming smiles on their faces. I did manage to shout a conversation to them over the blizzard, and I told them that how I didn't expect to see anybody else today, and how it filled me with joy. I think I said that there was somebody else out doing what I was doing today, and he said, "Yes, you have to be. You have to be a basket case to be out." Basket case. I like that. Right, head back out.